Once again, we are back with another reaction video. We're going to be checking out Tyler Childers' Rustin in the Rain, Healing Appalachia. So, I'm a little bit of a fan of Tyler. He's got a couple tracks that I really like. I like his Nose on the Grindstone, probably just his hits. So sorry for the big fans if you're listening, but yeah, so I checked out Billy Strings and Post Malone, and so I figured let's go down that avenue, that kind of sound again. So haven't checked this out yet. I know it came out a few days ago, so I'm excited to hear it. I know he's got a crazy good voice, really has that bluegrass vibe that I really like, and he's really good at adding in the guitar as a good accent, so I'm excited to check it out.
This next song is a newer one. I wrote it not that long ago, that's why it's new. This is...
He was all clean shaven.
I'm sorry, man. I worked on it. It gives me something to feed off of here. But this is a song about working draft animals, sorta. I've been doing that here as of lately. That's how one way I've been spending my time.
He looks so young. Looks thinner too, but
since we've been
the beard will do that.
Not on the road, and that among a bunch of other things. Last year, me and Sonora did.
Looks like a guy you'd see in
tomato plants. Which, if you're ever wondering what you do with 83 tomato plants, there's a lot
like little
that you can do with 83 tomato plants. You can make marinara until you don't make it anymore.
Sorry for stereotyping.
Salsa and rotel, and we got to where we were just slicing them and dehydrating them. Which at first I was like, I don't think I'm going to eat very many of these, and I ate all of them. They're really great. You know, you'd be mowing the grass and weed eating, and then you come in for a drink of water and grab you some tomatoes and go to the door and put your shoes on.
I don't know, man. I don't know about all that, but
like sneak back inside with your shoes on, grass clippings falling everywhere, and you grab another slice, a bunch of tomatoes, and then go back outside and do it. The only two things in life that are free, and that's true love and homegrown tomatoes. Absolutely. But yeah.
All right.
I don't have anything more to say about that. There it is.
Cool. Let's check it out, man. I'm excited. Whoa. Was not expecting that. It's a very, okay. His voice is so good. Raspiness. I like the tone of the electric guitar. It has like a big Brad Paisley type of vibe to it. It gives me kind of George Strait era type of country sound. So interesting. I also want to say I'm not a country aficionado, so if that wasn't correct, you were like, that's not. Bleh. Sorry. Gives me Tennessee vibes. How much fun they're having. Grooving. There we go. Dance with it, baby. Dance with it. Come on. I've always loved the high hold on the guitar there. Playing country music. Yeah, shout it out. That's something you can only really get on a live take. That where it sounds that natural. It's awesome. Dang, the bass is going off too. Paisley, like the he's in the zone. The eyes, the crazed eyes, I love it. Ooh, he's into it. Look at those eyes. God, they're rocking out. That's awesome. Boom, boom, That's awesome. Yeah, get into it. Oh. That riff is nice. Sick. And to just nod it off, like, ugh. Sick. Tyler Childers did it again. That was an awesome performance. I love the different sound that this had, at least from some of the hits that I know. If he's done the sound before, I haven't heard it yet. So love it. That was an awesome song. Guys, this is Tyler Childers, Rustin in the Rain. I hope you all enjoyed this reaction. Peace.